I'm diving into the world of passive income and challenging myself to see if I can actually make thousands as a developer using these strategies. Passive income is a game changer, especially for developers. It's the holy grail of financial freedom, allowing us to earn money without actively trading time for it. But with the rise of the gig economy and the ever-changing landscape of the tech industry, it's more important than ever for developers to think outside the box and diversify their income streams. One of the biggest challenges developers face is generating consistent income. Traditional job structures often mean feast or famine, with long periods of uncertainty in between projects. And let's be real, who hasn't experienced the anxiety of wondering where their next paycheck is coming from? But it doesn't have to be this way. By leveraging passive income streams, developers can create a safety net that ensures they're always earning, even when they're not actively working. Another challenge is the limitations of traditional job structures. As developers, we're often pigeonholed into narrow roles with limited opportunities for growth or advancement. And let's not forget the stigma attached to asking for a raise. It's like pulling teeth. But with passive income, we can break free from these constraints and create our own opportunities on our own terms. The tech industry is also notorious for its boom and bust cycles, where entire companies can rise and fall overnight. And as developers, we're often at the mercy of these trends, struggling to keep up with the latest frameworks and technologies. But by diversifying our income streams, we can insulate ourselves from these fluctuations and create a more stable financial future. The truth is, traditional job structures are no longer the only way to earn a living as a developer. With the rise of the digital economy, there are more opportunities than ever to create passive income streams that can generate thousands, if not tens of thousands, of dollars per month. So, what are these passive income streams, and how can developers tap into them? One of the most lucrative options is creating apps. Whether it's a game, a utility, or a social media platform, apps can generate passive income through in-app purchases, advertising, and subscriptions. And with the rise of no-code development platforms, it's easier than ever to get started, even if you don't have extensive coding experience. Another option is online courses. As developers, we have a unique skill set that's in high demand, and by creating online courses, we can monetize our expertise and earn passive income from course sales. And with platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare, it's easier than ever to get started. Affiliate marketing is another option. By promoting products or services that align with our values and expertise, we can earn a commission on each sale made through a unique referral link. And with the rise of influencer marketing, the potential earnings are staggering. But what does it take to succeed in these passive income streams? That's where the success story of John Lee comes in. As a developer, John was struggling to make ends meet, working long hours for a modest salary. But he had a dream of financial freedom, and he was determined to make it a reality. By creating a popular app, launching an online course, and leveraging affiliate marketing, John was able to increase his earnings by a factor of 5 and achieve the financial independence he always wanted. John's story is a testament to the power of passive income, and it's a reminder that anyone can achieve financial freedom regardless of their background or experience. By diversifying our income streams and thinking outside the box, we can create a life of freedom and prosperity on our own terms. So, to recap, the key passive income strategies for developers are creating apps, online courses, and affiliate marketing. By leveraging these streams, we can create a safety net that ensures we're always earning, even when we're not actively working. And by thinking outside the box and diversifying our income streams, we can achieve financial independence and create a life of freedom and prosperity. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your experience been like with passive income? Be sure to check out another video on related financial tips for developers. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content on financial freedom and entrepreneurship.